Logitech produces computer peripherals that make us more productive. The Logitech M220 Silent Wireless Mouse lets you focus on the task at hand without the usual noise of clicks and scrolls. I have spent some time with the M220 Silent Mouse and it is impressive. Let's find out why. The mouse comes in a plastic body with a contoured shape that follows the natural curve of the hand. The top of the mouse is made of a soft to the touch plastic and features left and right buttons and a rubber scroll wheel with Logi branding. The design of the mouse makes it comfortable for both left and right-handed users. Underneath the mouse is the optical sensor, the on and off button, and the battery compartment, which also houses the USB receiver. The Logitech M220 mouse is well built, much like what you can expect from Logitech products. The mouse comes in 3 colors: black charcoal, which is the unit that I have received to review, red and blue. The Logitech M220's main selling point is its silent feature. The M220, thanks to its silent touch technology, is able to reduce over 90% of the noise that clicking and scrolling makes. This makes the mouse less distracting and allows you to be more productive. Check out the following test I did as well as the comparison with my Cougar gaming mouse. The mouse provides a smooth cursor control, and the fact that it is small makes it usable on a smaller or busy desk. The scroll wheel offers line-by-line scrolling for a precision scrolling experience. The optical sensor also works on most surfaces and offers smooth tracking for accurate cursor control. The M220 mouse connects wirelessly to Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS and Linux computers by using the USB receiver. To get connected, simply plug in the USB receiver and the mouse will connect and be usable without any setup. You will be able to operate the mouse up to 10 meters from the receiver. The Logitech M220 is powered by a AA battery. You are looking at 18 months of battery life before you need to change the battery. To save power, there is an auto sleep power saving mode as well as the on and off switch should you not be using the mouse for a period of time. In the box you will find the mouse, a battery, the USB receiver, the mouse info/setup information, and warranty information. The Logitech M220 Silent Wireless Mouse offers the best of Logitech in a small portable design with a great battery life. Its silent touch technology is really impressive, and when compared to other mice, it is impressive how silent the mouse actually is. And at 299 Rand, it is a steal. Click the link below for my full review.